So this was a really difficult video to make. A couple of months ago, our dog Maya passed away. Her eating habits changed. We found out she had an aggressive, rare form of liver cancer, and she didn't have much time to live. So we basically gave her whatever she wanted, and including that was a nice big Tomahawk Ribeye Steak that she loved. I filmed a lot of the stuff that I gave her, so we would have memories of her. Thought it would be a good idea to post it. I wrote about it on the website, about details about everything that happened. Thankfully, she wasn't really sick for long. It happened very quickly when she finally passed. From the time that we found out to the time she actually passed, we gave her a lot of great treats, a lot of good food, and one of those was this Tomahawk ribeye. So this bone-in ribeye weighs just about 2 pounds. Maya's obviously going to love this thing. I'm not going to cook it any differently for her as if I was going to cook it for myself or anyone else. Just season it with some salt. I really wish I gave her more stuff like this, a little more often, but she would just eat, and I was always worried about her weight. I didn't want her to get out of control fat and get unhealthy or anything, but should have gave her stuff like this more often. But what can you do? She had a good life. We took care of her. We always did stuff with her, always gave her treats. They were healthy treats, not big steaks like this, but it's all right. Get the cast iron pan nice and hot and get a good sear on this guy. Don't move it around, don't try and flip it. Just let that color develop. Put a little weight on there. That's where we get a nice, even crust on this Tomahawk ribeye from Maya. After a couple of minutes, take off the weight, give it a flip, check the color, make sure we're going good. Perfect. Let that go on the other side, just a minute or so. And then I'm just gonna pop this in the oven. Maya likes it a good medium. So I'll put this in the oven about 6 minutes or so, just so it cooks through. Pink in the middle, perfect medium. And then this will be ready to slice up, and we'll give it to Maya. A few minutes later, take it out of the oven, make sure you let it rest. Don't want to just cut into it, let all the juices get out of there. It'll continue to cook as it rests, and it'll come up to a nice medium. And she's just waiting. She's been staring at me the entire time making this steak. She knows it's for her. And she's just waiting for it. She's just like, I don't care about letting it rest. I don't care about the perfect temperature. Just cook the damn thing and give it to me. But I don't care. I'm going to let it rest. I'm going to let the juices redistribute into the meat. And this way it's at perfect temperature and consistency for my Maya Bell. Take off that bone, and then we'll slice into the meat. Now, don't give the dog the bone. A lot of people give their dogs the bone when they cut off the steak. Do not do that. It's the worst thing you could do, because when they break it with their teeth, the shards come off, and then it could get stuck in their intestines, and then it's just a big problem. You do not want to do that. And that's perfect. Ready to go. Put this in our bowl, and this will probably last, 10 seconds or so through all the work we put into it. Now she knows. Give her a little taste here. Yes. I don't even think she tastes it. She just swallows it like a pill. That was just a tease, so I have to put the rest in the bowl here. Line it up. And this was only a week or so after we found out that she had the cancer, so she was still feeling good. And we were just giving all this stuff, and she was just like, this is great. I don't know what's going on, but just keep giving me all these treats. There you go, girl. That was 5 slices at a time. But she's enjoying it. Now that it's been a while since Maya passed, I'm happy I made these videos. See her feeling good, enjoying steaks like this and burgers and all the other stuff that we gave her. We'll never forget Maya, we'll always miss her, and thanks to everyone for their support through this tough time.